Good morning. Today I'm going to share about our forthcoming program on sales. Selling is the highest paid job if you are good at it. Selling is selling about your ideas more than the product and services. First to self, then to others. And in sales, no is a standard response. What we call even sales is like a rejection job. How many rejection can you tolerate? How much patience do you have to sustain? So as I said, in sales, N-O, no is a standard response. So first you have to convert N-O to no, K-N-O-W. So that you will master in the process. You have to master the art of asking question. But one of the most important aspects in sales is that we get emotionally disturbed when we get some abuse, rude behavior by our customers, prospect, suspects. So how to deal with that? As if you are in the field, you will know if you met 10 people in a day, first straight away 5 will be rejection. They will say no. As I said, no is a standard response. How to convert N-O to no to K-N-O-W and then N-O no to yes to get a sales. First understand the difference between selling and marketing. Marketing is very easy, just creating awareness. But selling is getting the payment with a check, cash, or exchange of goods or services. So this is the most difficult, but if you can succeed, you can be successful in any field. And if you want to think of starting your organization, the selling is must. If you cannot sell your products, sell your ideas, you should not be. Anyway, let's come back. As I said, in the process, we get emotionally disturbed, and emotion is very important in the sales. Our school, college given importance to gain knowledge. Knowledge is a must. But more than knowledge, am I able to deal with myself, my other people? So let's imagine you met 10 people in a day. Let's imagine you meet 10 prospects. 5 will straight say, no, we don't need your services. Another 1 or 2 may abuse you, may speak to you rudely, very bad behavior which may hurt you emotionally. Another 1 or 2% may give you business. But at the end of the day, whom would you remember? The person who has abused you, who has hurted you. So next day when you come out in the field, you'll remember that person who is going to abuse me, who is going to hurt me. Can you perform your job with wholeheartedly, with the best of can you carry the same enthusiasm, emotion what you're carrying in the first time? So slowly, we lose our energy, lose our enthusiasm. So how to return that? How to remove those rotten potatoes? So I call them who has hurted you, who has abused you, they're like rotten potatoes in the mind. When there is the dirt in the floor, we sweep it, mop it. When the dirt in the body, you go and have a shower. When the dirt in the mind, how do you clean it? To understand this concept, to understand what I'm sharing, I'll share you one incident. As I said, school, colleges given importance to gaining more knowledge, not emotional intelligence or emotional resource. And emotional intelligence must to be successful in your profession, especially in sales profession. As I said, if you meet 10 people, 5 will say straight no, another 2, 3 may abuse you, another 2, 3 may get business. So how to remove those rotten potatoes? To understand this rotten potatoes, let me take an example of this. A teacher wants to impart this emotional intelligence to the student. So most of us, we don't like, if we don't get desired result, and if someone abused us, we get angry. Anger, resentment means suppressed anger. And we think of taking revenge. This 3 things comes by birth. And we most often unknowingly practice this. And this is a emotional liability. We become emotionally down also in the long run. And we'll learn what to be replaced with that. First is listening. Am I able to listen to myself, listen to my prospect, to my customer? So if I'm emotionally sound, I can listen, understand their needs, and I can respond and get the sales also. But as I say, when the teacher asked, imagine you are in 10th standard. Imagine you are in 10th. Which school you used to study? Do you remember? The teacher says, how many people you don't like in the school? Let it be teacher, classmate, or seniors, or even juniors. Someone said, don't like 3 people. Some said 4, some said 2, some said 5, some said 10, some said 6. Teacher said, you don't like 2 people, bring only 2 potatoes tomorrow. I hope you know potatoes. If you don't like 3 people, bring 3 potatoes. If you don't like 4 people, please bring 4 potatoes. If you don't like 5, please bring 5 potatoes. If you don't like 6, still bring only 5 potatoes. If you don't like 10 people also, only 5 potatoes. That is the maximum number. Next day, when a student brought these potatoes, teacher gave everyone a polythene bag like this and asked them to keep these potatoes inside the bag. And he said it's a very important assignment to develop emotional intelligence, because you will get the job with your knowledge, but to sustain job and successful job, this emotional intelligence is most important. Because most people don't have, what are the basic emotional intelligence? To keep your commitment, to take responsibility of a role given to you, and then only you become trustworthy in spite of all the emotional turmoil. So as I said, teacher said it's a very important assignment to develop commitment, one of the part of this emotional intelligence. Because most of the people fail. Number one reason of failure is the lack of commitment in spite of having all the skills and knowledge. And this is a 30 days challenge. How many days? It's a 30 days challenge. On 30th day at 4:30 when the school gets over, we'll throw these potatoes. For next 30 days, whenever you come into the school, please put it into a school bag. And whenever you come out of the classroom during school hours, you can keep your school bag in the classroom. But you must carry this bag with potatoes wherever possible. Even when you're sleeping, please keep it near to your bed. Now imagine carry these potatoes for next 20-25 days. What will happen to this potato? You start decomposing, got rotten, smelling, stinking. So one student came on 25th day. One student came on 25th to the teacher said, sir, please can I throw away this potato? Smelling, stinking, bag is smelling, body is smelling, room is smelling. Teacher said very seriously, only 5 days left. Let's practice one commitment. On 30th at 4:30 we'll go and throw these potatoes. Because once you get into a job, everything will not be comfortable. And if you can come out of your comfort zone, then only you can be successful in your life, successful in your profession. So obviously student realized that is very serious about this assignment. Imagine you can these potatoes every day, more smelling, more stinking. Again on 28th day, one student came and said, sir, please can I throw this potato? Smelling, stinking, I can't bear. As a big burden carrying on my shoulder. Again, teacher said very seriously, let's practice one commitment. Only 2 days left. Obviously, student realized that is very serious about the assignment. Imagine carrying potatoes every day as if more smelling, stinking. Today's 30th day. Today's 30th day, but it's only 11 o'clock. You'll be looking to your watch, looking to the clock. When it's going to be 4:30. Every one hour as if one day. As if you are carrying a big burden on your shoulder. More smelling, more stinking. Ultimately, now it's 4:30. Teacher said, now you can go and throw these potatoes. How will you feel? As if big burden gone out of your shoulder. So do you remove the rotten potatoes which you are carrying within you? Otherwise, you will also get rotten. As you know, in sales, most of people get burned out with these bad experiences. So you need to convert your bad experiences into opportunity to be successful in your sales career. So let's have this discussion and develop emotional intelligence, how to remove those rotten potatoes. And there are certain exercises to remove them, eradicate them from our mind. Thank you for listening to this videos. And if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channels and you'll be getting more videos, and you can share your comments, you can call us, the number is displayed there. And let's have a better relationship, because in sales, it's about relationship building. If you can sustain your relation long term, so are you committed to yourself to develop selling skill, to be successful in your profession, in your life? Thank you. Have a great day.